Heck, forgot to start recording. Anyway, hello, YouTube. I forgot to record. We have so far burnt a howling coyote and an old lady doll. Perhaps she'll die. So I'm gonna get those again anyway. But welcome in. We've already started the fire. We're about to burn a terrible secret and this old lamp. Ooh, ah. But welcome in as well, YouTube chat. When I play with my little Inferno fireplace, I have so much fun. I stare into the fire for hours and days. Where does all the time go? It floats up the chimney. Up, like everything else. Oop. Two, three. Get that blue in there. And I will re-buy these already. And get some more of those old ones. Ooh, I can buy another one. Word pack. Again, for audience participation, you can yell out any combos that you see or think might be a thing. Howl at the moon, cat lady, elderly couple, terrible mystery, change the bulb, Cold War, framed, writer's block, stop, drop, and roll, colorful flame, pollinating, cat bath, clean plate, orchestral, moonlit melody, medicated midlife, and pill popper. All right, let's go back to these. This is the wolf. It's a very subtle but really cool howl. This is the old lady. She has flies. Triangle idol. Oil painting. Oh, yes, people that have just joined, if you're wondering why this stream is so very late in the day, I was playing Pathfinder. It was being streamed on a friend of the channel's channel, Blake the Lich. It'll be up on iTunes tomorrow, honestly. I will read this in 1 second. It'll be up on iTunes tomorrow, and that'll be like a bunch of stuff. It was a lot of fun. There was a bit of a mystery involved, and we're basically in Mordor, and I'm a tiny rat that is also a fighter, which is the wrong race to be for a fighter. But anywho, back to this game. What's up there? Up out of the chimney. Oh, it swirls in my head. Like smoke. I think we all know what's going to happen here. Boop. 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 I'm doing pretty good. Yourself? Thank you so much for the raid. Honestly, thank you. Couple. Store. Heart. Reverse. Killed. How you doing, Eldred? Did you have a good stream? You were streaming Dead by Daylight. Did you have fun with that? Oh, fair. Well, you're able to join us here by the fire and just enjoy the burning of everything. Potpourri bomb. Oh, gotta spend a few to make the money. Potpourri bomb. Meow. Yes, green fire. And here's a Donkey Kong barrel. Now it's multicolored fire. Here's a cocoon. Everything's been put out. The fire flickers with possibilities. I wonder what happens. I get a little closer. It's still rainbow colored. Oh. One, two, three. Let's get that done again. Get another fire started. This dish detergent. A cello. Snow globe. Medicated mommy pills. Freezing rain cloud. Spontaneous combustion doll. Let's get those all coming. Spin that up. Yeah, let's spin that up. Down to 80. We still have a whole heck of a lot. Check out the spontaneous combustion doll, though. Wild. Yes. It's very hard to burn a cloud. Like, that one pops like real easy, like. Oh. Turn around. Behind you. A warm fire in front. But what's behind? Just turn your head. Could you? If you wanted. I can stare into the fire forever. But not backwards. Let's get this detergent out there. Get these bubbles. Pop the bubbles. Pop the bubbles. Pop the bubbles. No, don't set yourself on fire. That's bad. My house is on fire. Roaring. That can't be good. It hurts my eyes. I can see forever. Forward forever. Up, up, up the chimney. Oh, So yeah, it's just a happy-go-lucky game. Nothing sinister. Pill popper. An entire cello. 1, 2, 3. And don't hydrate by drinking fire. It's not good for you. I maxed out on money again. Alright. Again, if you can think of any, Hill Popper, Midlife, Melody, Moonlit Melody, Medicated, Midlife, Kestrel, Clean Plate, Cat Bath, Writer's Block, Terrible Mystery, Elderly Couple, Howl at the Moon. If you can think of any of them, any of these previous books that connect with this one, feel free. Oop. There we go. Just set this ablaze. And a nice big fire. Keep everything nice and warm. Foom! A gust of warm air shoots up into the sky on another cold night. Oh-wee. That wasn't in the forecast at all. Was it a volcano? A sunstorm? Incoming report. Oh, that's not good. It's... Oh no. A house has burned down. Another resident lost. Whoever they were, remember, fire can be warm. Fire can be fun. Fire can be dangerous. But there's something even more dangerous than fire. Be safe, boys and girls. Zoom! Reporting from the weather balloon. Over the smokestacks. Over the city. The weatherman. The weatherman. Wow. There's more balloons in here. That potpourri out in there. Let me get some of this long stuff that takes a long ass time. And do I have enough? I'm gonna do the first one. Yes, we do. Wow. Terrible secret. Oh, how about the moon cat lady? Elderly couple. Terrible mystery. Yeah. Hey, there's some writer's blocks. Dun, Gotta sing it. I don't want another copyright strike. Here we go. Fire burns. Oh wow. Catch fire once more. Always back to the bricks for our general fire source. You'd think there would be like a regular wooden log. But no. A butterfly. Watch it flutter by. Oh ha. Another cello. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. And on top of it. Kablamo. Ha. Fit. You know what? Alright, that's fair. Alright, I'm just gonna go from the top down now. Alright. That is after we get everything to gold or black rim, basically. There we go. So everything perfect. So I can start on that. Oh. Ooh, ah. How's everyone doing? Having a good night? Lamp. Boop. Oh, nice. That's a fun game. Where was it? Here it is. Mini Moon. Made from genuine space rocks. Doom's a fun game. I'm very bad at it, but it is a fun game. Oil painting. No. Bubble hug. Stamp, stamp. Oh, gotta get them bubbles. No more. Just put that fire out. Let's get rid of that fire. There we go. Let's grab that. Nope. Uh, where's the... Well, if I need you to come back. There we go. Okay, thank you for coming back, Wolf. Even the moon can't handle being frozen. Well, when you thaw it out. I'm running low on stuff and things. Alright. 2. 5. Do the... Oh, wait, I can pick an early one as well. 15 seconds. You can also see the time's gradually gone up. 10 seconds for the first one. A minute 20 for the last one. 12. Minute 40. 15. 2:15. 20. 3. 25. 3 minutes 45 seconds. The old lady's being taken to the moon. Burn the flies. No. Kinda. It's a bit of a puzzle game as well. Because part of the game is finding combos. Like Cat Lady. Which is the old lady doll. And kitty kitty poo poo plushie. Let me buy those right now. Because it's an old lady and it's a cat. Cat lady. And there's a whole story that goes along with it. We're very close to the end of this game. Because with each book, a new part of the story is added. We're on book 5. And we finished the story for book 5. And it seems Sugar Plumps, our neighbor, right across, right on the other side of this chimney, her house burnt down with her inside. And it was very brutal. Gun, brown, sugar, bullet, muscles, real. Oh. And if you want to take a stab at any of these, even though you probably don't know them, you haven't watched some of the other ones. But yeah. Let me just get the ice ones now. Dun, da, 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 da. Here's 2 bricks. And here's a 3rd one. I'm going to set these bricks on fire. There we go. Bricks are burning. Bricks are a real good burning thing just because, well, it lets you have a just general fire. And by the end of the stream, we're gonna have I'm gonna do a big poll, so y'all can like bet your access cards on whomst is going to win. It's gonna be a bit of a gamble. There that goes. Aww. Sorry, I got too excited. Alright. And but yeah, it is just Pyromaniac Simulator. This is Little Inferno. It is you burn things. And that's the whole game. You just burn things. Da, 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 da. Please don't jump in the fire. It's not healthy. You can warm yourself by it, but try not to burn yourself with it. Alright. Let's get those two out. Yeah, the two problem ones. The ice is annoying. Like, it's a cool idea. Don't like the execution. Because you're adding ice to fire and it stops things from burn. I want burn good. Let burn good. Colorful fire time. Now the fire is gay. By the by. That's legally how it works. It does a rainbow pattern. It's RGB gamer, so it is gay. Alright, we've golded everything in this book. Ooh, ah. Okay. Only could do 3. But I can... A terrible secret. Oh. Pop. Pop. Look at these balloons out there. Goodbye. Oh. Goodbye. I'm gonna make a giant roaring fire. Much. Yeah. And one of you. Let's grab that. Alright. Oh. This is going to be the biggest fire pillar to date because I plan on making it straight up. Meow. Just gonna be a line of fire. It's gonna be great. Oh, well, I'm doing this as well. Let's get the different burning color things. The cheap, easy ones, you know. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted. Brick. A brick. It's gonna be good. These spiders are not going to expect suddenly being in the furnace to fucking hell. You know what I'm saying? Wait, also, get one of these. They burn real good to start a fire. Because real good kindling. I fucked that one up. Alright. This one's just on top. This one's different. This one's cooler than the rest. That one's acting out. Wants to be different. You go, Brick. You go. Be who you want to be. Alright. The final brick has been laid. The giant fucking flamethrower. That color. And that color. And then it's pixelated. Aw. Alright, so what's the next one? I'll get the next one set up. Elderly couple. Gentleman adventure, though. A cat lady. It's gone. Look at them. They're such a cute couple. The couple must burn. The couple must burn. Alright. Now, just working down. The terrible mystery. Mystery seasoning. A terrible secret. After that, change the bulb and Cold War. I'll get those going too. Modern lantern. Fragile bulbs. And I believe it's, yeah. I believe it's those ones. Mystery seasoning and the terrible secret. The terrible mystery. Modern lamp. And a light bulb. Oh, that didn't break. Surprised me. and framed. Get. Ah, boop. Gotta change that light bulb. Alright, no, that wasn't the right combo. I forget what that one is then. It's actually probably that. Yeah, you know, that makes more sense. Alright. A framed combo. What else is there? There's the Cold War. There's the stop, drop, and roll. I forget what the stop, drop, and roll one is. I know it's a fire extinguisher, and I forget what else. Colorful flame is very easy. It's probably some of my favorite ones to use, just period. The zesty bugs. A little Inferno beta. Still playing Doom 2016. Nobody told me this game would be violent. It's a Christian woman. I am appalled. I say appalled. No one told me that there would be demons and such in this game. Alright, that one was wrong too. Oh, goodbye, bug. Cold War. Cold War. Any nuke just makes the most sense for that. They'll probably have to get off that line of thinking. Oh, pollinating. Okay. Please put you in the fire. Right. Send me an image that you want me to put in the fire. I will try my best to. Colorful flame combo. Send me an image. And, just like our savior, elongated muskrat. And me. Right. Alright. Oh. Image. Oh. I need to remember where I put this. Right. There we go. Let me try. All right. Pollinating combo. Okay. I was right. It wasn't the potpourri. I was worried it might be. All right. Wow. Here is the wonderful flow. Here am me on my side. And here's the elongated muskrat. Burn that, and we burn here. There we go. We're in the fire. There, you happy? 1, 2, 3. Yes, let the fire consume me. Oh. Okay. Cat bath, clean plate. Yes, let the fire consume me. Sorry, I had to sing. I have to sing over that. I don't want to get another again copyright strike. Uh. 2, 1. Down to 2. There we go. 3, 4, 5. Let's do that. There we go. We need to spend a few more. Control. Medicated midlife. And pill popper. Midlife crisis mitigator. And best friend supplement pills. Along with medicated mommy pills. Meow, meow. Meow. All right. So, I'm going to now start the poll. Just, will we get a jackpot? You got 10 minutes to vote. That should get us to the end, ish. Best friend pills. Best friend supplements. Mommy's pills and the midlife crisis mitigator. Together, with this power, these powers combine, we will nearly be unstoppable. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I need to buy something. Yeah. Meow. There we go. I believe. Uh, oh no, I wanted to do this, not that. Oh, drat. Alright, well. Manage pull. Ending that pull. Delete the pull. Get out of here. That's not what I wanted to ask. Yeah. Nope. Alright. Alright, that's how you do this. I'm still learning, guys. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, also, in the meantime, let's burn some bricks. Oh. Alright. Show this again. Got it. Wait. Uh. Wait, no. Insufficient. Delete. Wait and return points. Alright. Submission period. 10 minutes. Alright. Start the prediction. Alright. People can bet yes or no now. Feel free. Oh. Okay. All that we have left is Stop, Drop, and Roll and Cold War. Okay. I'm gonna take a guess. But it might be that. But it might be that. No idea though. But I might need help with this. If someone could help me, like, actually, like, try and figure out these problems, that would legit be so cool. God damn it, no. Stop freezing. Cold War and, Stop, Drop, and Roll. So we need two things that fit Cold War and Stop, Drop, and Roll. From here, 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 and here. But it has to, at least one of the options has to come from here. For each of them. Because this is the newest one, and these are the secrets for this. Stop, Drop, and Roll almost definitely has a fire extinguisher, so I'm just going to buy that already. and then we can go from there. Oh, yeah, no, that makes sense. The how about Uncle Sam's Blam Blams? Uh, anyone who doesn't light up a box of these is probably a terrorist. You know, that makes a lot of sense. And we just gotta do stop, drop, and roll. Yeah. Yeah, that's the Cold War one. Alright. So, fire extinguisher. We have Little Inferno collector's poster. Corn on the cob, letter blocks, alarm clock, someone else's credit card, broken magnet, sleeping idol, battery pack, ordinary brick, antique torch, wooden bicycle, toy pirate, someone else's family photo, instant seed packet, jar of fireflies, my pictures, spider egg, celebration bus, bankety, blankety bank, television, raccoon plushie, space heater, squirrel whistle, fragile bulbs, eager, pills, bear, oil barge, building blocks, sneak surprise, okay, fire breathing dinosaur, disgruntled elf, camera, cold metal heart, Valkyrie doll, Uncle Sam's Blam Blams, toy leprechaun, mini nuke, kitty poo poo plushie, mini moon, wooden spoon, marshmallows, dry ice cubes, sausage legs, blowfish, china, beetles, tooth and corn breakfast flakes. You know what? That would make a lot of sense. I don't know why I didn't think of that one. Probably because I'm a dumbus. But, yeah. There's so many at, like, later in the game that you just forget. Yeah. Alright. Sort of these. And let's get our... Let's get our jackpot thing. We don't have anybody doing predictions at all yet. But I'm sure that it'll be fine. Let's just burn these while we wait. I don't want to waste any more than we already have. Oh, oh. Mm. We'll see if we get a jackpot. We'll just let this burn out, though. And anyone can vote in this poll if you want. Like, absolutely anyone. I'm gonna be the one that does the submission and whatnot and ends it when it's over. So any mods that may be in chat, greatly appreciate it. Oh, we got our first yay. All right, you're believing in me. I gotta live up. I gotta live up to the hype. All right, let's start our first one. We already got a no. All right. That was a nay. We got a second chance, though. Oh, all right. Let's do our second one. Oh, oop. Crush. All right. Middle. Nope. Oh, it's just a bunch of nays. Yeah, no. Submission. Choose outcome. Nope, won it. Yeah. Complete the prediction. I'm sorry to say, the result was nope. You went from believer. I'm sorry you believed in me. I'm so sorry. Oh, yeah. Oh, 100 access cards thrown to the void. Thank you for voting, though, Flo. Thank you so much. I'm sorry I failed you. I am so sorry. 2, 3. Give me one of those. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, now with a roaring fire, I will. We're gonna end there. Ooh, thanks y'all for coming. I know this is a very late one. I had to really rush to get this one going. But yeah, if you're new here and you haven't followed, please, 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 throw me a follow. It would mean so much to me. So close to getting that 100 followers. I would love to have that done by the end of this year. That would be a great achievement for me. Oh, and you can subscribe. That would mean so much as well. It's never necessary, but it would mean a lot. And if you're on YouTube watching this, subscriptions are free, and that would be really, really, really uh, cool and swell if you could also subscribe there. Um, Again, for December, doing 1 hour content every single day, and I'm putting it up on YouTube, all in a VOD in a nice big cozy winter 2022 playlist. And yeah, thanks so much for coming around. Ooh,